My boyfriend bought me these back scratchers from Amazon. Look at how cool this is. Hey everyone, in this video I will be testing out an Instagram beauty hack. I'm sure you've seen all these like DIYs and hacks and DIYs for skincare, hair care, food, exercise, everything. Definitely wanted to try one out. There's one that I've seen, I don't know, I know it's not new, but I've seen like 2 or 3 videos of it lately and I was like, I wonder if that really works. Basically all you do is you kind of like wrap up your hair, take foil, wrap it around your hair, get a flat iron, press the flat iron down, and with the heat, it gives you like a nice curl or wave. Before we get into the video, I would love if you could give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and if you want to stay notified whenever I upload, hit the notification button. If you want to see me test out this Instagram beauty hack and see if it works, keep watching. So the main 2 things obviously that you need is foil and a flat iron. I get this foil from the dollar store. Guys, please don't use the good foil. Don't use the Reynolds. Just get a cheap foil. I didn't see anybody do this in the video, but I'm just gonna spray a little bit of some heat protectant. Even though your hair is in the foil, so it's being protected, I mean, better safe than sorry, right? I usually whenever I do waves or curls or anything, I usually spray my Kenra Fast Dry Hairspray. But I'm not going to do that today because I really want to see if this method works. I'm just going to open my foil and get it ready. I'm just going to take some out and cut, I don't know, rectangles. I feel like people were using like little squares. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. Maybe it would have been easier if I just cut it with the box.
2 hours later.
I ripped my foil into pieces. I didn't know how short or long I should make them, so I guess I'll see as I go. Basically, split my hair in half. I'm going to start with this side. Okay. Looks like a good section. I'm going to clip this out the way. I usually do my curls away from my face. Roll the hair up. My hair. And just press it down, I guess. In the videos I saw, they kind of like folded it, like almost when you're doing highlights and you fold it so it stays close, but I think my hair is too heavy for that, so I'm just gonna clip it. I do the same thing, roll it. I'm pretty much going to be doing the same thing all throughout my hair, so I'm going to speed this part up and I'll talk to you guys when I finish everything. I'm all done. I have my hair all in foils. I'm going to wait like 10 minutes so they all cool down and then I'll take them out and show you the results. It's been about 10 minutes and the foils are all cool. None of them are hot. So I'm going to take them out and let's see. Okay. Somewhat of a wave. Okay. Oh, this one looks pretty. This is the finished results. It's definitely not curls like how I saw in the video, but also the videos I saw. Okay, number one, the videos I saw, they literally had like a piece of foil like this. I don't know how they did that because I was struggling because I had smaller foils in the beginning and I couldn't even wrap it around my hair. So that's number one. But also what I noticed in the videos is they took smaller sections. I wouldn't do that just because I don't do tight curls like that. I guess if you want more of a curl, then you would have to take smaller sections. You just kind of play with it. I mean, now that I kind of play with it a little more, I like the wave, or I guess the movement that it gives your hair, but I just think like if I would have took smaller sections, I probably would have got a more defined wave or curl or whatever, but I think it would be too tight and I wouldn't like it. So yeah. I tried the Instagram foil and flat iron hair hack, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of a flop for me. I don't think I would do this for my hair. I just don't like, I don't know, my hair looks kind of messy, honestly. I guess if you have longer hair or thick hair, you would need to take smaller sections, but I wouldn't want to take smaller sections because it would be a tighter curl and that wouldn't be, for me, what I would be looking to achieve. The curls are already, or the waves, whatever, are already kind of falling flat, so I don't know. Comment down below, maybe there's something I should have done differently, I don't know. And also comment down below if there's any other, Instagram beauty hacks you want to see me try. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!